Hi, today I'm for the Honor X6 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So first you should open the control panel and find here scan icon. If you don't have this scanner option here on the panel, tap to this edit icon and you'll probably find it here on this down section. So just to add the scanner to your panel, hold it and drag it to the subsection, click to done, and just to scan the QR codes, open scan icon, tap to while using the app, and now just to scan our QR codes, we should place our QR code here inside of your screen. Now we can see here this link, so open it with Chrome, tap for example always, and now without an account, and now we can see that this is the Wikipedia article link. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.